Today we're going to continue learning about the Northeast. We will be focusing on the culture in the Northeast region. Two of our most popular sports were invented in the Northeast region. Basketball was invented in 1891 by Dr. James Naismith in Springfield, Massachusetts. You can visit the Basketball Hall of Fame there. 4 years later, William Morgan invented volleyball in Holyoke, Massachusetts. A group of people called the Amish live in Pennsylvania. Because of their religious beliefs, they do not use electricity or telephones in their homes, or use cars or tractors. They travel by horse and buggy. So you can see right here where they travel by horse and buggy and some of the traditional clothing that they would wear in the Amish community. Particulture is a type of food that might be eaten in the Northeast. So there is clam chowder, crab cakes, lobster that could be found in the Atlantic Ocean, and seafood are among the Northeast region's most popular foods. Because there's so many dairy farms in this region, people eat a lot of dairy products too. In fact, Northeasterners eat more ice cream per person than any other region in the U.S. Check out all those yummy dairy treats. Did you know that baked beans, potato chips, and buffalo wings were all invented in the Northeast region? So I bet we're glad all of those things were invented. Yummy. All right, now on to the assignment. So what we're going to do first is you open up your Google Slides and you'll be doing the culture section. So first you're going to be answering the before true false questions. So you'll be answering whether or not basketball and baseball invented in the Northeast region, true or false, and then whether or not the people in the Northeast eat more ice cream, true or false. After you've done these questions, you are going to go on to slide 2, and it's going to tell you a little bit about the food of the Northeast, which is part of the culture, and tell you about some of the fun things that you can do in the Northeast region. Then on slide 3, you're going to learn a little bit about the people of the Northeast. And finally, as always, you know when you get to slide 4, what it's going to ask you to do is it's going to tell you to go back to the beginning section and complete that after section, because you should have learned whether or not it was invented there and if they eat more ice cream. So you put your true and false here, and then you will answer the questions on slide 4. So you'll answer in full sentences, what do the people do for fun in the Northeast? So, and you would type here, in the Northeast, people like to, and then you would start to explain some of the things that people like to do for fun in the Northeast. Then you're going to talk about the kinds of food that were invented in the Northeast. So you would say, there were several types of food invented in the Northeast. Some of them are my favorites. Then you would start to say, for example, and then you're going to start telling what some of those foods are. You should remember them from going and reading in the text. And you can think about some of the things that I talked about in the video earlier in this video. All right, so when you're done, make sure that you turn this in to your teacher. All right, see you next time.